So we'd like to sync audiences now into Facebook. Assuming that you already have audiences created, and you can see that in Omniconvert's Reveal Audience Builder section, scrolling down in the Audiences section, and assuming you already connected your Facebook account with Omniconvert Reveal. If you haven't done so already, you can do it by following the steps in the video that you find in this video's description. Going now into the Audiences section, you have all the audiences that you built in here. You will see how many integrations are active for each of these audiences, and you can also find details of each audience if you don't remember how you built it by clicking this Audience Details button. So let's say we would like to integrate these best customers top 3 audiences into Facebook. Right now we see we have 0 integrations active, so I'm just gonna click this arrow and I'm gonna switch on this audience synchronization for Facebook. And the audience was updated successfully. It will take up to 24 hours for you to see this audience in your Facebook ads account. And it will be updated on a daily basis and synced on a daily basis. You will have a confirmation by seeing the size of the audience that was last synced and the date when it was last synced. Like, for example, you can see in this example here, for example, for this onboarding new customers audience, for the sync in Google Ads, you have 2,472 profiles synced last on this day. And that's it. It's that simple.